Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2018. The session is October-November. This is question number 6. We'll have a look at variables, quadratic equations, graph a few coordinates and use the minimum value. So let's start. The question says, Zara fences off a piece of land next to a wall to make a vegetable garden. The garden is a rectangle with the wall as one side of the rectangle. The area of the garden is 18 square meters. The width of the garden is x meters. Part A says the total length of the fencing required for the garden is y meters. Show that y is equal to 2x plus 18 over x. Now, we've been given this side of the rectangle. So let's assume that this is also going to be x. We don't need this side because it's against a wall. But what's the length of this side? The area of the entire garden is 18 square meters. So if we divide 18 by x, it would be the length of this rectangle. So this side is 18 over x. So if we add all the sides, they should be equal to y. So y is equal to x plus 18 over x, which simplifies to y equals to 2x plus 18 over x. Let's move on. The next part says complete the table for y equal to 2x plus 18 over x. And we have to find this value, and this value. So let's plug these values of x into the calculator for this formula. So for the first one, if you plug 1 into the calculator, 2 times 1 plus 18 over 1 is of course 20. This is easy. The next value, 2, if you plug 2 into the calculator with 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 18 over 2 gives us 18 over 2 gives us 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. So this one is 13. Okay. The last one is 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. 18 over 9 is 2. So 18 plus 2 is of course 20 again. Let's do the next part. On the grid, draw the graph of y equal to 2x plus 18 over x for the values of x1 is less than equal to x, which is less than equal to 9. So let's plot these values first. So the first value is of course going to be 1 and 20. Where is it going to be? It is going to be right here. The next value is going to be 2 and 13. So 2 and 13, sorry, I just made a mistake over there, but 11, 12, 13 is going to be right there. Let me remove the other mark so that we don't confuse ourselves later on in the question. The next value is 3 and 12. So 3 and 12 is going to be right there. The next one is 4 and 12.5. So 4 and 12.5 would be there. The next one is 5 and 13.6. 5 and 13.6 is going to be there. Okay, then it's 6 and 15. So 6 and 15 is going to be there. The next value is 7 and 16.6. So 7 and we go up. So this is 16.6 is going to be there. The second last value is 8 and 18.3. So we graph that out. So this is the line of 8. I just marked it so that I can remember it. And 19 is, sorry, if this is 20, this is 20, 19, 18.6, it is going to be there. Okay, let me remove the other two dots and line. Okay, the last value is going to be 9 and 20. So 9 and 20 is going to be over here. Okay, now let's draw the graph. This is going to be tricky, but let's do it. This looks like a Nike sign. So we start from this point. So I made a mistake over there. Let me do it again. 1 second. It shouldn't look like that. So if we start from here, goes like this. The minimum point is this, goes like that, and then we connect all these values by the same straight line. Okay, this looks much better. let's use these values for the questions in the next part. So the next part says use your graph to find the two possible widths of the garden if 14 meters of fencing is used. The fencing is of course the values of y. So if 14 meters of fencing is used, let's find where 14 is. So 14 is going to be right there. So if I draw a straight line like this and I find the values of x, oh, where did the scale go? Yeah, if I find the values of x at these points, this one, and which is this is okay, yeah, this one, the values of x are going to be, for the first one is going to be 1.8, so we write 1.8 here, and the next one is going to be 5.2, so we write 5.2 right here. Okay, the next part says the fencing costs $20 per meter. Find the minimum amount it will cost Zara to build the fence. In order to find the minimum amount, that means that y is being multiplied by 20 and you'll get the final answer. Okay, the minimum amount of the fencing that Zara would have to pay is actually at the lowest point of this graph, which is right here. Okay, 1 second. At this point, this is the minimum point. At this point, the fencing is about 12. So 12 meters of fencing being multiplied by $20. 12 times 20 gives us $240. That is the amount of money Zara had to pay. So $240 right here. The last part says Zara wants to spend no more than $350 on the fence. Find the greatest possible width of the garden Zara can make. Now, in order to find the greatest possible width, they have given us a restriction that she cannot spend more than $350. That means anything would be less than or equal to this. And fencing is of course y being multiplied by the cost, which is 20. So let's find y first. Y is equal to 350 divided by 20. Y comes out to be less than or equal to 17.5. Yeah, 17.5. Now let's draw a line at 17.5 and find the values of x, because we need the greatest possible width. So 1 second, 15, 16, 17.5 is going to be right there. 1 second. Okay, so if we draw a straight line, this, where does the scale go after every 5 minutes? Okay, so this is one of the points of intersection, and this is the other point of intersection. Okay, so the width here is 1.2, which of course is less, but the width here is 7.4, which is the answer to this question. 7.4. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of this entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.